In this video, I'm going to share with you the process of making $300 per day or even more with Google Ads and affiliate marketing. Oh, and by the way, this is easy stuff. Disclaimer, my earnings and results are hard work and dedication. These results are not typical. Your results could be more or less. I'm not guaranteeing you anything. There is no guarantee that you will earn any money using these techniques and ideas I show you. Earning potential is entirely dependent on the person taking part of their dedication, hard work, and persistence. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will reply and I will get back to you. Alright, so right now I'm going to walk you through the process of earning $300 a day or even more with using Google Ads and affiliate marketing. So let's look at over here. So we have Google Ads right here, which is the traffic, right? And that at the very end over there we have the offer. So direct linking is, sending traffic from, Google Ads can be anywhere, but in this case, we're talking Google Ads directly into an offer. If you're doing this method, which is direct linking, meaning you're sending the people directly to an offer. When you're doing this, most of the time, the conversion rate is very low. Like for 100 clicks, you might get 1 sale, up to 3 sales, but most of the time we never get sales because this is old and this just doesn't work anymore. And so this is direct linking. With Google Ads, if you're not familiar with it, you can go to ads.google.com and you can see how it is. I have a couple of videos here on my YouTube channel teaching you how to do this. And then on the offer, you could be promoting all kinds of offers. You can, browse on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, maxbounty.com, right? And you can find offers there. I promote 2 offers that I recommend, and I will leave below a link for them. Now, for you to make $300 a day is adding a landing page, and this is what makes all the difference. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have something in the middle, so we're gonna pre-sell them, and then we're gonna send them to the offer. And this is very important here, a landing page, because you can capture their email as well here. So not only you're building your list and your source of traffic, because if you were to send directly into an offer just like so, you would lose 99% of the traffic. Only 1% would go to the offer and might buy, and you get the lead. As within a landing page, you're capturing the email, so you're getting that traffic and you can follow up. But in this tutorial, I'm not going to talk about the follow-up, because this is how to make $300 with Google Ads, even without having a follow-up in place. So here's how to do. So look at this over here. On the left, with Google Ads, I like to focus on the keyword, and we're using Google Ads. So when people search on Google, they search for a specific keyword. We want to focus on the one keyword at a time, and we make that landing page all about the keyword. That's the goal. And by the way, that's how I build my landing pages. I use Builderall, which is an all-in-one marketing platform. And if you want to check this tool out, you can go to fabio.club/BA1. The way we do it is we choose a keyword, a very targeted keyword. I'm just going to give you an example right now for one keyword, but you can go for endless keywords. But let's just work with make money online keyword. So this landing page, we want to make it all about the keyword. Now, how we will do it? Here's what I find to be working amazing is, and this is how you can make $300. So you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These right here is on the landing page. You could have ways of making money online. You have way number 1, way number 2, way number 3, way number 4, way number 5. And the person, because they're searching for make money online, they will decide which way they want to go for it. And then what you want to be doing is with all of these links, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you want to be tracking them. And by the way, you can do this tracking on Builderall, this tool, which is you want to track. So you send traffic from Google Ads with a specific keyword to this landing page, and you are tracking and you want to see where do people click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That way, you know you're doing your market research and you learn what people actually want, right? And this is really cool because you can see, for example, let's say you do this and by the way, on all of these this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways that they have to make money. When they click the way to learn more about it, then you capture their email and you have an affiliate link that leads them to the offer. The reason you want to be tracking is because now with this, you might be making, let's say $300 a day. Because you're tracking and everything, let's say most of the sales are coming from the link, the method number 6. So now what you could do is basically add this 6 button to number 1 and change the order. And all of a sudden, instead of you making $300 a day, you are making, 600, double, or 700 just because you made that one change. And by the way, here's another thing. You can have multiple offers in one landing page. So they search for this specific keyword, which is make money online. And you could have many ways they can go for making money online, depending on what way, because there's a lot of ways you can make money online. You can make money online through, affiliate marketing. You can make money online through MLM. You can make money online through network marketing. You can make money online selling products, e-commerce, just all kinds of methods out there that you can make money selling online. So there's many ways, and let the person choose, let the audience choose. But what you are doing here on the back end is you are tracking everything, and you are keeping optimizing everything. And so that way you can make the most out of it. And by changing the order of these things, you can expect to blow it up. You can have multiple offers, which is pretty cool because instead of you just going for one offer, you could have more than one offer, right? And you can be testing different offers with this buttons right here. So this is the method that I find to be working amazing for me, and this right here is really cool. Of course, then you can follow up with email and all that stuff. By tracking, let them choose what type of way of making money they let them choose. And by the way, this landing page needs to look like a website where they can pick. They search for make money online, and they have a page where they can pick. Okay, I'm gonna pick using this or this. They pick themselves, and that makes all the difference because people don't like to be told what to do. They like to choose. And okay, they choose, and then you could have different offers there. And again, you want to be tracking all the links so you know which one people choose, right? And then so you can change the order and therefore skyrocket your earnings. So this is the way to make money with affiliate marketing using keywords. And this really works amazing because when you do the landing page, specifically, talking about the keyword, you are literally solving a problem. You're giving the solution to them. That's why it has to be from a keyword, right? It could be multiple keywords related, but I always recommend starting and focusing on one keyword. You can do the keyword research with Google Ads and see that what keywords have a low pay-per-click, so that you can get those keywords that doesn't have, they're not that expensive to go after, right? But this is how you do it. You can definitely pull it off with this. You gotta be tracking, keep optimizing, and just changing the orders of the products there. And there you go. This is how you do it. If you have any questions, anything, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, and make sure you smash the like button, and thank you so much. Have a blessing day, and I'll see you next time.